Hello everyone, today I'll introduce the operation with Keydiy X4 to add a spare key for a 2021 Chevrolet Onix. This key is the original factory key. This is a Keydiy blank key. We are going to add this Keydiy key to the vehicle. First, identify the original key. Place the key on the induction coil of Keydiy X4. It's for a chip, then test its frequency. Frequency is 433 MHz. We start to generate the Keydiy remote key. Put it here. Then enter the remote control menu. Since it's a mechanical key, we select the first menu option. Smart key function is also supported by the device. Just search the corresponding model directly. Start generating. Wireless generating mode. Programming completed. Then go back to the main page. Enter the key programming menu. Start key learning procedure. The OBD cable is already connected to the car. Then access the programming function. Select Chevrolet. Choose Onix. This is a 2021 model vehicle. The car adopts CAN FD communication protocol. Keydiy X4 comes with built-in CAN FD module. Unlike other devices that need an extra adapter plug, our device requires no extra accessories. Just plug in the OBD cable to proceed matching. Select mechanical key option. First read the number of registered keys. There are 3 registered keys in total. The top 2 options for key addition require a 4-digit PIN code and 24-bit rolling code. We don't need to use these 2 options normally. We can directly pick the bottom 2 options. These options need no password. Support password-free key matching. Start adding new key. Turn on the ignition switch. The system reads out the VIN code. Click OK to continue. The vehicle's extracted password is 8325. Password is automatically read out. Click OK. Wait for 12 minutes. Before starting key matching, proceed to match the new key. OK, remove the original key now. Insert the required Keydiy key for learning. Flashing hazard lights indicate successful matching. Click OK. Now total registered keys become 4. Click No. Turn on the ignition switch again. Proceed to next step. Key learning succeeded. Test the remote control function. Okay, the whole job is finished.